Okay, we're going to talk about voltages in three-phase power today. So it's going to be pretty quick. We have voltage line to line, voltage line to ground. Typical voltages that we see in our type of work in three-phase power is anywhere from 480 volt all the way up here to 500, 1,000 volts. There can be higher voltages in this country. This is what we see a lot of. Let's start with a distribution voltage, and you'll notice here that the line to ground is found by taking the voltage line to line and dividing it by the square root of 3. So for any one of these voltages up here, I'll just pick one about 480. You can see it'll be 277. So any of these, this will be the case. But we're going to go back to this 13.8, and of course I've got an error here now because it's expecting me to have a voltage here that matches something that I've input over here. So let's input those in. So voltage here should be, according to this, 7967. And we're going to use that for each phase because we're going to use balanced voltages under abnormal conditions, or even somewhat normal conditions. You can have different voltages, but we're going to use balanced. And 7967, that would be a perfect scenario. And also I've entered these in at the angular values of 0 degrees, and I've prompted you with the 0 to the right there, and 120 degrees, the negative 120 degrees, and a positive 120 degrees here. So you can see over here on the graph, here is A, here is B, and here is C. And they're all 120 degrees away from each other. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 are 120 degrees away from each other. And that's pretty much it. We'll talk about a little bit of unbalanced in the next one.